Here we have the Insinkerator Badger Series Badger 5XL. I do get a commission for the sale and purchase of these things, but here's a quick little install video and a review of how well this thing works. All right, so had this Badger 1 garbage disposal since the house was built about 10 years ago. Served us well, it's worked great. Started leaking last night, so we're changing it out and we're upgrading it to a Badger Series Badger 5XL. A little bigger, it's a little stronger, 1.5 horsepower. And these things are pretty easy to install because of the flange right there. It's just, you twist it off, twist it on after you undo the drain pipes and stuff. But I mean, it's very, very simple. I have no plumbing experience and I can knock this out. This is the second one I've had to do in 2 different houses. So let's install this and see how well it goes. So after you get the old one off, before you can install the new one, there's this little drain right here. You have to punch out the thing inside, then you just go in and pull it out. I've already done that just because it's loud and I had to go outside to do it. But next step is to put the flange on right here, which is this, and it comes with a little rubber gasket that you put in here like so, and then you just attach this with a couple screws, and this will sit into the pipe, the drainage pipe. So I got the drainage tube on. Next thing is to install the little lock washer from the previous disposal, the pipe, and it just slips on the tube right here. All right, we got the old disposal out. Take the new one, put it in. Turn it, get our pipes where they match up. Make sure you put this back on. We got our drainage pipe connected back to our pipe. Then snug this down, just like so. Just hand tighten it. Snug this one down. Double check. Next, take our intake, connect it on there. And tighten it down. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Getting tight. It's not coming off. Wipe it dry, so we make sure no water's leaking out of there, out of any of these places. Then we'll take our handy dandy tool that comes with the disposal and place it right in here, and just use that to make sure it's tight and locked in. There we go, everything's still tight. And last thing to do, plug her up. So we're all plugged up, and now what we need to do is turn the water on, let it run. There we go. We got water running. Don't see any leaks anywhere. Nothing coming through yet. So we should be good. Our tray below it's pretty dry. This thing's great because if you do have a problem like I had last night where it leaks, this catches the water and you don't ruin all your cabinets. It's a lot cheaper to buy the Insinkerator Badger 5XL than it is to have to replace cabinets and buy a garbage disposal. Let's turn it on, see if it works. Look at that. Sounds good. Perfect. Speaking of our handy dandy tool, one little trick I learned is take a piece of tape, take this, and just tape it right to it. That way, if you ever need this tool again, you know where it is. You're not trying to go find it in the garage or shop or whatever. But this also, plug it in the bottom, crank it, and it helps if it gets something really big stuck in there and need to loosen it up. Or if you have to change it again, just boom, pop it in there, pop it off, and simple as that.